Hello guys, I'm back with another video. This is my Maxpedition Falcon II pack. This is my EDC bag, fucking whatever you want to call it. Doesn't matter to me. I'm just going to show you what I got in it. Shit like that. I did do this video once before, but it wouldn't upload. So, here we are again. In here, we have some paracord. A big mess of it, because I was trying to do something, but I'm not good at it, so. A bunch more paracord. My Maxpedition mini pocket organizer. My Polytac Streamlight Polytac. It's pretty good. Gotta have that with me every day. Never know when it's gonna strike. Sorry, ooh, no book. Gotta have that. So the map of my area, sort of. My Leatherman Surge. Everybody knows about that. I don't use it too much, to be honest with you. I have a full tool bag in my truck, so. There's a front little pouch here. I just have my business cards and some more cordage on a bracelet. There's a CCW compartment back here. I keep my Bear Grylls survival kit in it, and a space blanket. Up here, I've got my phone charger. Well, a phone charger. I have one beside my bed as well, which I'm doing this on. Some shit you guys don't really see. It was just a practical joke. That went really wrong, let me tell you. This is my pocket sharpener. It's a Smith's. Some gloves. Never know when you'll need them. I got some Kleenex on some BlackBerry headphones. Also have some Benadryl in here for allergies. And some self-adhesive bandage wrap. A very compact pocket here. I have some iodine tablets, just in case. Gotta keep that on me. Never know with the water. I got a 4/7 Quark AA squared. It's a pretty bright little light. Also, strobe. It's got some other features too, but I can't figure it out because this piece of shit. Oh, I got some pens in here. A mini screwdriver. fire striker, some earphone, some ear protection, since I am a shooter. And that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, leave below. Subscribe, rate, comment. Future videos that are coming up. I may do some light reviews on my three flashlights that I have, as well as, I don't know, anything you want to see, let me know. Yeah. So please comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, thank you.